Hey, this is Blake here at FTD Customs. Today I'm going to be going over our 04 and up ZX-14 12-inch extensions. First thing I should say, lifetime warranty on everything that we do. If there's ever a problem, don't hesitate to reach out and we will get it fixed right away for you. Just like all of our other extensions, we've got two finish options. We've got our raw aluminum and black powder coat here, and this one here actually features our free engraving. As far as mounting it, these two screws right here are what's going to hold it onto the bike itself. Ignore these three tapped holes for our ZX-12 and ZX-14s. You do not need these. What you're going to use is this little brake plate right here. Your caliper's just going to slide right into this little groove right here. So what we got here is just the accessories that you can opt for with our Swingarm extensions. Right here is our standard chain. These are all 150 links, so you're going to have to cut links pretty much no matter what length you're stretching to, whether it's 12 inches or our shortest at 4.5. Our standard chains usually around 9,800 pounds tensile strength. We send them with boosters and everything all the time with no problems. Our EK chains are more of a race-oriented chain. If you're going to drag race all the time, it's what I recommend. I think it's about 11,300 pounds tensile strength versus the 9,800. Again, 150 links available in 520, 525, and 530. As far as our brake lines, if you're rocking an ABS bike, you only have two choices. You'll have the black and the stainless for ABS lines, and they will be 60 inches, so they'll be quite a bit longer, and that is because they're going to go from your rear caliper all the way up and bypass anything else up into your ABS module, whether that be under your seat or under your tank, depending on the model you have. As far as for non-ABS bikes, you got all your color choices here. We got everything except purple. That's pretty much all you need to know, and it'll just be two banjo fittings on either side. And that should wrap up our ZX-14 12-inch extensions.